This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot for marketing. HubSpot offers a powerful, all-in-one platform designed to streamline your marketing efforts. It helps businesses implement effective inbound strategies, from attracting new visitors to converting them into loyal customers. You can manage everything from content creation and search engine optimization to social media and email campaigns, all within one cohesive system, making your marketing more efficient and impactful. To attract new customers, HubSpot empowers you to create high-quality content. You can easily publish engaging blog posts and optimize your website pages with integrated search engine optimization tools, ensuring your content ranks well. Furthermore, HubSpot's social media features allow you to schedule posts across various platforms and monitor engagement, helping you reach a broader audience and draw more visitors to your site. Once you have attracted visitors, HubSpot helps you engage them effectively. You can design personalized email marketing campaigns to nurture leads, guiding them through the sales funnel. Automated workflows ensure that targeted messages are sent at precisely the right moment, improving conversion rates. Additionally, HubSpot's landing pages and forms are crucial for capturing essential lead information, making your engagement process seamless and productive. Finally, HubSpot helps you delight customers and continuously improve your marketing. Integrated customer relationship management and service tools ensure a seamless post-purchase experience. You can track the performance of all your marketing campaigns through comprehensive analytics dashboards, gaining valuable insights. This data allows you to identify areas for improvement, enabling you to refine your strategies and achieve even greater marketing success over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.